What's up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Amauris Hernandez. If you're new here, you can call me Audi, whatever you prefer. But my name is Amauris. So for this video, it's a regular photo shoot, just a little bit more closer to home. So for this shoot, I'm shooting in my hometown in a hot area. If you're from a small town or city, there's an area where everybody goes, like the main street of your city or town. You will not really see photo shoots there being taken there at all. So I decided, you know what, let's just go for it. So I contacted Mariel, the model in this video, who was also from that town. So she knows the pressure just as I did. And it's funny because I used to shoot weddings and shoot in the city in New York City. And I don't care about the eyes, but something about when it's your hometown and your eyes all on you, it's something different. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of so far of what I've been posting, how you liking that format. With that said, I'm gonna just leave you to the video. Enjoy, like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you in the next one. Ponte más en este costado para que la luz del palo no se vea. There's something about industrial and cars